Hi dears, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back again. Making and tasting different dishes is a pleasure. Are you a chocolate lover? And then you will definitely love this video. Today's recipe is one of the rich, soft and beautiful dessert, sizzling red velvet brownie with homemade ice cream. The soft, fudgy red velvet brownie topped with a scoop of homemade ice cream and sizzled with some chocolate sauce. A match made in heaven. Hope you'll enjoy it. Let's begin with vanilla ice cream. Take a white bowl with some ice water and some ice cubes. Place another bowl on top. Here I am taking 1 cup whipping cream, which is 250 ml, and whipped till soft peak foam. And then add half a cup of condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Add condensed milk more or less as per your sweetness and mix it well combined. To get set ice cream, take any mold like this or store-bought ice cream cup. Transfer and freeze overnight. Now let's make our chewy and fudgy red velvet brownie. Taking 125 grams of unsalted butter, cut it into cubes, transfer into the bowl and melt the butter using microwave or double boil method. Keep aside and preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Here I am taking 8 by 8 inch baking pan, grease some oil, line with parchment paper and set aside. Take a bowl, adding melted butter along with 2 tablespoons oil. Here I am adding sunflower oil. To this, add 3/4 cup of white sugar and 1/3 cup of brown sugar. Beat well until well combined. And then adding 2 eggs one at a time, beat until soft and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 1 teaspoon white vinegar, and just a pinch of salt. If you are using salted butter, then don't add salt. Beat for a minute. Now adding our main ingredient, red food color. Add little by little. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon. You may add how much you need it and beat well. See the texture, how velvety it is. In another bowl, add 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Mix it. Sift the dry ingredient half at a time into the egg mixture. Fold it until well combined. Don't overmix. In this stage, you may add chocolate chips or nuts. Our brownie batter is ready. Now transfer the batter into the prepared pan. Level up and tap few times. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. And our brownie is ready. Look at this, so beautiful and great aroma. Transfer onto a wire rack and let it cool down completely. You can serve as it is or garnish with cream cheese frosting. Here I am going to drizzle some melted white chocolate. For this I am taking 20 grams white chocolate. Cut it and melt it for 30 seconds in microwave. Cut it into pieces. Now drizzle some white chocolate over the brownie. And that's a perfect and delicious red velvet brownie. Serve as it is, but now we are going to make sizzling brownie. For this, we want some chocolate sauce. Take any chocolate or chocolate syrup. In a bowl, adding 1/4 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, 1/4 cup of whipping cream, and half a tablespoon butter. Melt the chocolate using double boil method. And transfer into a pouring dish and add a tablespoon white chocolate sauce. It's optional. And our ice cream is well set. This is the sizzler pan. It's cast iron pan along with wooden base. If you don't have this, you can make this in frying pan. Place the sizzler pan over high heat and heat the plate for 5 minutes or until it's smoking hot. After 5 minutes, take the pan and place over the wooden base. It's very hot, so be careful. Take a piece of brownie, quickly crumple the piece of brownie and place it on the plate. This would prevent the brownie from burning. And then place a brownie piece over the crumbs and add a scoop of our homemade vanilla ice cream on top. Drizzling some chocolate syrup over the ice cream and drizzle some strawberry syrup. Finally, pour more chocolate sauce around the brownie and our dish ready to be served. And the sizzling sound, so much satisfaction, and serve immediately. It's heaven in mouth. That's all for today. Do try out and let me know your lovely feedback. Do like and share among with your friends and families. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Follow my Instagram page, link in my description below. This is Shafana. See you in another video. Until then, stay safe, stay happy. Thank you.